Montreal, with a population of around 2 million, is Canada's second largest city and the economic and cultural heart of the province of Quebec. A place where modern high-rises stand alongside buildings from the 18th and 19th centuries. At the center of the city stands the Notre-Dame Basilica, Montreal's most recognizable landmark. Built in the 19th century in the neo-Gothic style, it is renowned for its richly decorated interior. Opposite stands the former Bank of Montreal, a historic symbol of the city's economic development. The Chinatown district is home to shops, restaurants, and cultural institutions of the Chinese community, which has been established here since the 19th century. Not far away is the Hôtel de Ville, Montreal's City Hall, a 19th century building in the Second Empire style. Close by stands the Château Ramezay, a former governor's residence from the 18th century that today houses a museum dedicated to the city's history. In front of the building, a monument commemorates Jean Drapeau, who served as mayor from 1954 to 1986, and, among other achievements, brought the World's Fair Expo 67 to Montreal. Rue Saint-Paul Est is one of the oldest streets in the city. With its cobblestones and historic architecture, it ranks among the most significant sites in the Old Town. Place Jacques-Cartier serves as a central gathering point. In summer, street performers, musicians, and cafe terraces bring the square to life.
Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face let me know that you're near me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me.
After dark, the skyline is defined by the towers of the financial district. Montreal at its most contemporary, a city with a firmly international orientation.